Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily customize your driving control on the MG. So, I am using the MG S5 EV. Now, if you want to change your driving control, you need to go to the car icon, the fourth icon from the left. Here we have the drive mode. So this is first. As you guys can see, you can make it custom. You can put it in sport, comfort, and of course snow. Now the sport, it gives me 310 kilometers right now. I'm on 89% charge. But the normal gives me 327. So there's a big difference if you want to go for sport, if you want to be faster. But first, we're going to stick to normal. We're going to talk about all of the options that you can enable. So first, we got one pedal drive. So you will not need to use your brake, because if you let go of your gas pedal, then basically what it will do is it will just go over. As you guys can see, it will try and be brought back to the stop. And of course, once we enable it, we don't really need to use the brake anymore. So it's totally up to you. I prefer to drive on my brakes as a different pedal. Here we have the energy saving mode. So the car will try to get and use as low as possible. So it will try to use not much energy. It will try to save everything up so that you can get your range up. And of course, your cost is only the performance, because the car will definitely be slower and not on 100% of its power. Here we have regenerative braking. Now, what does it do? Really simple. So it will try and brake to regenerate the energy to make sure that you lose less battery percentage, so that your range will be higher. And as you guys can see, we even have the information. So the vehicle will automatically adjust brake energy, recuperation intensity based on road conditions and distance to the vehicle in front. So this is basically helping our battery and our electric engine. Here we have auto hold, so you can enable it or disable it. Of course, you can change the mode from heavy press to light press and vice versa. Here we have hill descent control. So this will definitely help us on the hills. And we got the ESC off. So what a ESC does, basically, it's the electronic stability control. And what it does, it will try to prevent your car from skidding or losing control if you're on a slippery road, for an example, or if you're just having some sudden movements like maneuvers and etc. So I always keep this disabled because I want to make sure that I use it. Here we have comfort braking. Comfort braking is basically whenever the braking will just improve the driving experience by making the braking smoother and more consistent in non-emergency braking situations. And of course, last but not least, we got the trailer mode. So whenever you're towing somebody or you're just towing anything, some features will be disabled. For example, rear driving assist, front collision assist, and of course park distance control. So as you guys can see, you even have this in your explanation. Also the ACC and ICA, and the lane assistant and emergency lane keeping. So that's basically how you guys can customize your driving control. And of course, last we got the power steering. So we can change our drive mode to, for example, eco, but our steering could be, for example, sport. And here we can also change it with a click of a button. And that's how you guys can customize your entire driving control for MG. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.